Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well with your investing. So guys, since last couple of weeks, market is facing some turbulence. Like it has given a strong fallback after the electoral bond scam gets come up in the public domain. And after that, many companies whose name was there in the list, it has been observed that there are some sort of fall happened, but we do not know right now in which direction that particular case is going on. Apart from that, SEBI's side, it has been informed that some small stocks, small cap mutual fund, etc. They have it has been observed a huge rally since last couple of months, and that is why some sort of recovery has been witnessed. Okay, so now what can be done in the next one week or 1 month? So let's see, as usual, the Nifty 50 analysis. We can see it is basically consolidating in this particular range. If I see the range is basically from 21,500 till all-time high 22,500. This is the 1,000 point range in which Nifty is basically coming up and going down. Okay, in case it is going on Tuesday session, if it is going above 22,101, then we can still consider that it will go till 22,500. And in case it is falling, then 21,696 or 21,700 can be considered as a good support. Apart from that, 21,500 is the next support where it can, if it is falling back, then here it can take support. Okay, so basically I am expecting that for the next 1 week market will remain in a sideways mode. Okay, so let's see in this sideways mode what are the stocks we should be targeting. Preferably we should be considering swing trade at the moment rather than finding some multi-bagger stocks. We can have some stocks which are getting giving a good breakout at all-time high, or else at some good level where it is giving breakout, and we should be doing good amount of profit booking whenever it is breaking any stocks. For example, all the IT stocks I can see, in particular Wipro, LTIM, TCS, Infosys, all these stocks have given a good breakdown. So anyone having profit, then they should be booking their profit and exiting from these stocks, and you should not be entering or thinking of getting position in these stocks. For example, let's say Wipro, here it has given a fallback from 512. Okay, from this level it has given a good fall, and it has, though it has taken a support at 483, because there was a support at this level 482, and that is why it is taken a bounce back. But still I am considering it as negative, and the trend is right now negative, so I have exited from this stock. LTIM, the similar thing happened. So LTIM is also trying to take the support at 5,000 level, which was a support, which was a good support, but not sure. I believe it will give a breakdown from this level, and if it is giving breakdown, then it can come till 4778 or even below that. Same happened with TCS. It is also giving a breakdown at 4,000 level, and it is now trading at 3,900. Definitely we should be exiting from here. Then Infosys, again, all the IT stocks you can see, it is getting somehow settling around the support zone. And again PNB. So I want to just highlight PNB. It has you can see it as a M pattern at the top. Okay, it is clearly visible a M pattern. So here I am expecting a fall of around, let's say its neck is around 8%. So from here I am expecting a 9 to 10% fall from this point. So it will be around 10% or 16%, maybe 98, or else around 105 it can come. Okay, so whoever having position, they can consider a profit booking. Okay, so now see what are the stocks that we can target to buy. Like I have said in the last video, Eicher Motor. So Eicher Motor to me seems bullish, and it can give a good breakout at 4007. So anyone interested, they can buy at 4,000 level. And stop loss, let me see how much the stop loss. They can keep a stop loss of 8% or 9%, and they can expect a profit of 20% at least. Okay, so Eicher Motor can be a good buy. Apart from Eicher Motor, the another stock that I have discussed earlier, that is DMart. In DMart, it has, as I have suggested, after that level of 4,100 something level that we have suggested, right? From their level, it has given a 200 points breakout, and I think this is also a good point to buy. And we can see a strong upside rally can happen, and we can keep the stop loss at 3801, which is around 8% again, and it has a potential to give a good return of around, let me see, it can give at least 20 to 30%. Okay, so DMAT can be considered a good buy. Apart from that, there are few other stocks. Let's discuss Apollo Hospital. In Apollo Hospital, if you can see, it has given a W pattern of turn back from the level 5,933. Okay, from there it is giving a good rally upside, so it can give a very good upside. At least I can see a potential of 10% at least we can consider. If we are targeting to buy it, then we can buy it around 6,281. Definitely we can see some retracement, because on the last session it has given 3 to 4% upside. So I am expecting little bit of retracement, like 6,300 also. If we can target to buy, we can put some GTT kind of order, then it will be good. Okay, 6,300, let's say we are keeping our buy price, then 6% we can keep stop loss. We can expect at least 15 to 20% here in Apollo Hospital. Next is the HDFC Bank. As you everyone know, HDFC Bank has beaten down severely, and it has taken a support. Okay, at this level you can see a trending upside triangle is getting formed, and anyone interested, they can buy at 1470, above 1470, and they can keep the stop loss at 1421. Okay, so here it should be around 3% of stop loss, and as you know, you can keep it as a long-term stock, which at least here, if you see all-time high also, it is coming 18 to 20%. Okay, it can be a fundamental buy for a long term. Next one is Bajaj Auto. Yes, Bajaj Auto has given a good rally, and I believe it can still give further rally upside. We can take a buy at we can buy it at 9,027 level and keep a stop loss at 81,200. So 1,000 point will be stop loss like at 9%. Okay, so 9%, and we can target for 20%. Next is Sun Pharma. The same thing, it is giving breakout at all-time high 1625. We can target to buy it at CMP, and we can keep the stop loss at 1522, which is 6% stop loss. Okay, we can target for 15 to 20%. Next stock is Tata Motors. Again, in Tata Motors, it has given a good rally when the demerger happened. Then after that, it has given a strong rally, and I think it has given a retracement, and basically it is now consolidating, and it seems that it will give a breakout at 980 level. So if it is giving a breakout at 980 on Tuesday session, we can buy it, and we can keep the stop loss at basically, let me see, stop loss will be 920, and 6% will be the stop loss amount. Okay, we can hold it for 15, 20, 30% depending upon the risk appetite. Okay, next is Tata Steel. As I have mentioned also, Tata Steel earlier at 144 level I have mentioned to buy. So it has given a good support here. So our stop loss, which was earlier at 133, now it has been moved to this particular level, let's say 138. So now new stop loss will be 138. Anyone want to buy, they can keep the stop loss at 143 or else 137, which will be 8 to 9%. They can expect a movement of 15 to 20%. Next stock will be ABB Fashion. So here I can see a upside bullish pattern. So probably we can take a trade of swing trade 7% stop loss, and we can expect 14-15% profit. Next stock will be Bose India. In Bose Limited, so here I can see a V-shape recovery happened, and we can and it is breaking all-time high 30481. We can keep the stop loss at 27,900. So it will be stop loss will be around 8%, 7 to 8%, and we can expect a target of 15 to 20%. Next stock will be Havells. Havells we have discussed in our last video, and I have suggested to buy it above 15,000. and we can keep the stop loss at 1412. So 1412 was our stop loss. Now what has happened, or else I have informed that 1234 also we can keep the stop loss, okay, which was definitely a big stop loss. But yeah, 17 to 18% was stop loss, but I have taken this as a risk trade, and reason being, let me see show you. So reason was very simple. It was basically trading in this particular range, 1000 till 1500. It was trading at this range quite a while, and now it has tried to give in a breakout, okay, breakout above 15,000, sorry, 1500. So when it is giving a breakout, then chances was there it has given a rally of from this position 1281 till 15 till this point, like it will be 24%. Definitely who have bought at the bottom, they will do some profit booking, okay. So now that profit booking, it seems the profit booking has already been completed, and it has started its journey above, and it will definitely hold above 1500. So we can buy at CMP, and now the situation is very optimal because the stop loss is very low level, 1433. So for probably 1% or less than 1% is the stop loss, 2% is the stop loss. We can buy it and we can hold it for at least 15%, 20% return, okay. Now ICICI Prudential, I have mentioned this in my last video to watch it at 604, how it will be performing, okay, because it has given a strong rally from 469 all the way up till 605, right. So it is 28 to 30%. Definitely some profit booking is expected, was expected. That is what my view was, okay. Now it has given that profit booking, and it came all the way down till 544. Now it is going to start its rally again. So I believe we can buy at CMP, or else we can buy it above 604. If it is sustaining above that, then we can get some confidence, and we can trade it above 605 with a stop loss of 9% or 10% to be precise. And then we can expect the rally till 726. So let me see, the target will be 20%, okay. So ICICI Prudential Life can be a good buy above 604. Next stock is Jindal Steel. So in Jindal Steel, again the similar situation, we can buy it above all-time high 849 or 850. We can keep the stop loss 10%, like 750. So this is all about Jindal Steel. Next stock is PI Industry, okay. So PI Industry, I can see a good rounding bottom kind of pattern. So probably we can enter above 3,800 to be precise. 3,800 will be a round level, and it's a good to buy above 3,800, and we can keep this stop loss at 3530. So let me see how much will be the stop loss. It will be 7% again, and target I am expecting 15 to 20% target in PI Industry. Then Pidilite. So in Pidilite, as I have said in my last video also, above 2800 we can try to buy. So whoever has bought, definitely they are in profit. So we can still buy Pidilite at current level CMP, and we can expect keep the stop loss at 2770, which is 6 to 7%, okay. And we can expect a target of 15% at least, 15 to 20%. Next one is Siemens. In Siemens, we can buy at CMP. It is breaking all-time high. We can keep the stop loss at 4,552. Okay, so it will be 8% stop loss, and we can expect a return of 15-20%. Next stock I have mentioned in the last video, Zydus Life. We have purchased, if anyone has purchased it, probably around this particular level, 976 or similar level. Then it is basically doing a consolidation, but the good thing is it has given a good stop loss point here. Earlier our stop loss will be at 919. Now the new stop loss will be 946, because from there it has given a return back or reversed. So 946 will be the stop loss if anyone is buying at CMP, and it will be like 5% stop loss, and we can expect a good return of 15, 20 or 25%. So guys, that's it for this week. If you find the content useful for investing, do like and subscribe to my channel. You can share with your friends and relatives who has interest in investing. If you have any queries or you want any stocks to be analyzed by me, please put it into comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.